about third chapter's first point, that is arithmetic operators. So in every programming language there are the number of arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The symbol for addition is here plus, subtraction साठी हा आहे multiplication and division. In the same way in SQL we can use these operators for performing the SQL queries. For example, in the select query we can use these operators. Select name comma mark. We can apply here addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, these operators from the SYBCA table. When you are not using the where clause, at that time it will apply on all the records of that table. When you are applying the where condition, it will check the condition and after that it will add the 2 marks of the student. But when you are using the select, at that time the records only temporarily change. But when you want to make changes within that record permanently, at that time you can use the update query. For example, there is the SYBCA table and within that update SYBCA set. If you want to add the marks of student by 10, whose or decrease the marks of student whose remark is bad. For example, या टेबल मध्ये काय आहे, रिमार्क आहे का नाही, ठीक आहे. Here we will add remark good, bad, good and bad. Suppose if you want to decrease or minus the marks of student whose remark is bad, at that time we have to use update SYBCA set marks is equal to marks minus 10, where remark is equal to bad. Now it will check the remark of the student whose remark is bad and it will minus the 10 marks from that. What it will become? 40 and 50. So in this way you can use arithmetic operators on a particular table. So when you are using this one, at that time permanently changes will be there within a SYBCA table. We understand this one? And in the same way, if you want to add the 10 marks of the student whose attendance is greater than 50 or 80, 50 जर दिला आपण तर इथे काय होईल, त्यांचे मार्क्स और अटेंडन्स किती आहे ग्रेटर दॅन 50, हे येईल का त्याच्यामध्ये? नाही. हे येईल का? नाही. ग्रेटर दॅन म्हणल्यामुळे हे नाही येणार आणि हे नाही. सो इट विल ऍड द मार्क्स ऑफ दिस स्टुडंट, दॅट इज जे. किती होतील मग याचे? 60 चे 7 प्लस 10 इट विल बिकम 7. सो इन दिस वे we can update the marks of the students by using all these arithmetic operators. असंच नाही तर एम्प्लॉई असते, if you want to increase